Welcome everyone to Vested Interests. This is Shane back again for another stock pick of the day. Before we get into the video, I'd like to thank you for stopping by and checking out the channel, checking out the video. If you haven't done so already, consider subscribing to the channel. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think about the video after you've watched the video. Share with anyone you think might find value, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you're notified whenever we post new content. With that said, guys, let's get right into the video. We are going to cover Vale. It's a mining company. I know it's mining companies in the material sector, not one that a lot of people have in their portfolio, but this is one in my portfolio. So full disclosure, I am long in Vale. A little more about them. They originally established on June 1st, 1942 as a state-owned company, Vale de Rio Doce. Vale became a private company ranking among the largest miners in the world. Our operations abroad cover approximately 30 countries that share our mission to transform natural resources into prosperity and sustainable development. In addition to mining, we work with logistics, railways, ports, terminals, and state-of-the-art infrastructure, energy, and steelmaking. Predominantly, guys, these are a miner of metal, iron ore, nickel, some other metals as well. If you wanted to find out more about Vale, you could go to www.vale.com. That is their homepage, as you can see here at the bottom here. So I posted that information. If you want to check out more of them, again, you can go to the About Vale tab. You can look at some of their business sectors, some press clippings out of there, what they consider sustainability. This is a little play in the EV sector as well, because they do provide some of the materials needed for the batteries for EVs. So Vale, ticker VALE, again out of the material sector, down 3% on the day. So again, guys, these quick hitters like this, I like to look at companies, down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5% on the day. Might be a good time to take a look at them. I'm in Vale at about $13 per share, almost 100 shares right now. They did run up to almost $21 per share, so they have pulled back since I've been watching them. I started a position in them last October. So down to $18.75 as of the closed business, and this says 418, but that should say 419, guys. April 19th is today. This information is from Yahoo Finance. As you can see, it did come down the day. It did recover a little bit at the end of the day, but closed down from the high of the day. 52-week range as low as $11.16, as high as $23.18. Again, it was up around 21 and is pulling back from that 21 range. It does have a market cap of $89.011 billion, a beta of 0.65, so it is a lot less volatile than the overall market. PE ratio of 3.65. You'd want to compare this to other miners in the sector to see how that compares. It is pretty low, I will say that. It does have a forward dividend of $2.23. And this is actually paid out annually. They do have some special dividends as well. They just paid out a special dividend here not too long ago, and that amounts to 11.54% dividend yield at this current payout. This does adjust. It's not annual, and it's not quarterly, so it only pays out once. And like I said, they do pay out a special dividend, so sometimes annually or semi-annually payer. So you'd want to watch this and see what it is from year to year, but it is a high dividend payer, 11.54%. Even that smashes even the high inflation we have right now. Ex-dividend date was March 9th, 2022, and Yahoo Finance has a one-year target of $21.10, so it does speak to some upside appreciation for the stock value as far as Yahoo Finance is considered. Let's look and see what some other analysts have to say. According to the 18 stock analysts, the average 12-month stock price forecast for Vale, they call it a buy. They have a low of $18.14. So again, you might want to watch it, see if it continues to fall back closer to this $18. Like I said, I picked it up around October, November time frame for around $12, $13, $14 per share. So it is cyclical, and it does hit lows at times, so you might want to watch it. Right now, I'm looking to add a little bit if it stays in this $18 range or gets a little lower than $18.75, even in $19 range. But just because I'm in it for about $13, so even if I added a little bit higher, it would increase my price to maybe $14, $15 at the highest. That's about all I'd pay for it. Their average estimate is $24.45. That would be a 30% appreciation for where it currently sits. And they have a high estimate of $33.27, which would be a 77.44% appreciation. Mining company, guys, again, cyclical, but it is in my opinion, long-term play for the EV race. So guys, these are supposed to be quick hitters. That's it for me. As always, appreciate you stopping by, and if you haven't done so already, don't forget to show me some love. Hit the thumbs up, ring the notification bell, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment below. Let me know what you think. What do you think about Vale? Are you in the mining sector at all? Is it one you're watching? Is it one you're interested in? Take a look at it and let me know what you think. I do personally read and respond to the comments, and I'm always interested to read your questions and or opinions or suggestions for future comments. Guys, drop them down below. This is Shane signing off, wishing peace and prosperity to you and yours. And remember, financial security comes to those who take a vested interest. Hey, we'll see you next time, guys. Thanks for stopping by. I'm not a financial advisor. Nothing in this presentation should be considered financial advice. I'm only sharing my opinion and investing journey for educational and intended purposes. Investing involves risk. You can lose money and should never invest any amount you're not comfortable losing. Always do your own research and invest based on your situation, circumstances, and select criteria, or seek the advice and counsel of a certified financial advisor.